Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating easy causes. Once done, power cycle the decoder and inspect the dish and cables. You need to look for loose F connectors, water, or bird damage because signal loss is usually physical. Make sure the LED behavior after the reboot is noted, since it tells you whether the box is booting correctly. If the smart card is exposed, reseat it. Contact issues mimic software faults. This fast action saves time before deeper troubleshooting. Once initial checks are done, you focus on signal and software. Use the signal meter to confirm strength and quality. Weak numbers point to alignment or LNB issues, not subscription problems. Then check for firmware update or reinstall the software. A corrupted image often causes channel errors. Make sure to inspect any splitters or long cable runs because each connection reduces signal. Swapping to a short, direct cable often restores channels quickly. To finish, you perform a controlled reset and gather evidence. Note error codes and the smart card ID before you proceed, since Dstv support will ask. If you do a factory reset, understand it clears settings, therefore backup presets first. If problems persist, call support with those details or swap hardware with a known good decoder or cable to isolate the problem. If still unresolved, the key troubleshooting tip is to test an alternate decoder or cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.